pops. Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video I'll just be doing some pulls for you guys so I can finally make these kind of videos again where I'm doing pulls and all that, because this is the best my car has been driving for a while. Because in my last video, if you guys follow my channel, you'll know that in the last video I changed my charge pipe. So like my charge pipe has been broken for the longest time, but I just didn't know it was a charge pipe. So I always had like mad boost leak and stuff, but now it's fixed. I got a VRSF aluminum charge pipe and I upgraded my intercooler as well from VRSF. So I'm almost fully bolt on. I just need a cold air intake and catless downpipe. Then I'm gonna tune the car to stage 2. I'm also gonna I have the M Sport steering wheel. I'm gonna be putting that on very shortly. I just ordered the carbon fiber paddle shifters, so I'm waiting for those to come in. Then I'll make a video on that, like installing the steering wheel with the carbon fiber paddle shifters. So I'm just waiting for that to come, then I'll just do it all at once. And I also have the full M Sport kit. And so just so you guys know, new business I started, I'll tell you guys more about it like in another video. Like I'll go more into details. But if you guys want M Sport bumpers, like the front bumper, the rear bumper, the side skirt, like I have a business, so I'm gonna be selling those. I already have the stock. It's just like it's at the other side of Canada right now, so I'm just getting it shipped over to me, and I'll be selling those. So if you guys want them, I can ship them out to you guys. You know, I'll tell you more on the prices and stuff. So if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments. You know, I also have like some trunk clips for the F30s, and I'm gonna get some trunk clips for the G20s, like the new 3 Series, the M3s. You know, I'm gonna have a lot of parts. So if you guys want anything, just ask me in the comments. Feel free to ask me. You know, I'll just let you guys know what's up. Like I was saying, so yeah, I have the full M Sport kit, so I'm selling them. Plus I'm also gonna use one for my car. So I'm gonna be fully M Sport steering wheel, everything like that. I'm gonna get lowering springs, tune the car to stage 2. So, you know, big plans coming for the car. You know, right now, as you guys can see, it's snowing. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but it's snowing right now. I live in Canada, so it's not the easiest time to do all of that, but I'm still gonna try to get as much done as I can, you know, to make content for you guys. But my car has been driving amazing because I changed the charge pipe, like I said, and the intercooler. So I'm almost fully bolt on. And today I got an oil change, but I usually do my oil changes myself, but I got it at the shop today because when I bought the car, I had to change the engine, and I had to do one more oil change with the shop to keep the warranty on the engine. So I did that at the shop today, and I also got my new tires installed. So, you know, it's just winter tires. It's the same old rims, just winter tires. But the tires that was on the car before, those were bald. So like my car, it was super risky to be driving like that, you know, because it's like I had no grip. But now the car feels great, you know, some fresh oil, new tires. I just got the charge pipe installed, the intercooler. I did those myself. So you guys can go watch the video on that if you want to see how to do it. But yeah, so the car's been driving really good now. So I'm gonna throw it in Sport Plus for you guys in just a second, and you know, I'll do some pulls and all that. Okay, I'm getting to my little area that I like now, because that straight road that I was on, it's very boring to like drive in Sport Plus because you can't really hear the pops or nothing, you know, because you're just going straight and one straight speed. So now I'm pulling up to the more residential area, but it's night though, so you know, it's not as risky right now. But the car feels so much more firm now just because the tires, like I didn't know that tires, you could feel that much of a difference while driving. Like I'm not even going fast and I can feel the difference. I thought I would only be able to tell the difference when I'm like sliding or something, but like I feel the difference just like casually driving. It just feels so much more, you know, it's just so like I have more control over the car. That's how it feels. But yeah, let me throw it in the paddles as well. I don't know how well you guys can hear the pops. You can hear it a little bit. You put the window down a little bit more. I am sliding a little bit, but it's a million times better than how it was at first. Jeez. Damn, let me probably pop the sunroof. I always forget how to use the sunroof. I'm so used to the Lexus one. Oh, there. Oh, damn. I can hear the tires sliding just because it's cold, but it's a million times better than my old tires. Jeez. I swear, when my car is lowered, I gotta be way more careful with those speed bumps. Right now, I can just go over them because my shit's monster truck height. I'll just do a few more pulls for you guys so you can hear the exhaust and all that. But I'm getting my catless downpipe soon, and yeah, my catless downpipe and the cold air intake, so my car's gonna sound way better. Plus I'm gonna do a res delete. I'm not sure if I want to go fully straight pipe or just the res delete, but I'll see how that goes. I saw a nice M5 right here today. Like I was driving here and I saw an M5, like it's crazy nice. And it's the newer ones too, like the LCI ones. Nah, my grip is so much better now. Like this is the best my car has been since I've owned it. Like good tires, like it's just on point. The pops. That shit's fucking fun. And this is my little beach again. I always go around this little area in my POVs. If you guys watch my POVs a lot, you'll know exactly like I always go down here just because it looks so good. Right now it's too dark though, so you guys can't even see the sunset or nothing, but it's just a little fun area to drive in. Listen to that. I can't wait to do my exhaust, bro. Wake up the pops. Oh damn, I can't even do no pulls. Look at that. Look at how much snow there is. I can't even see where I'm going. That's crazy. I could actually do donuts, but there's people here. I don't want to do too much. Damn, that's a lot of snow. I thought they like fucking shoveled this thing. I guess not. Damn. That's kind of pointless to come down here tonight. Damn, that's a lot of snow. Imagine my car was on springs now. I'll be rubbing everywhere. I miss this fucking car. I miss driving it like this so much, and this is the best it has feel. I just miss driving the car so much because my charge pipe was broken. I couldn't even floor the car, not even once. I just miss it so much, and this is the best it has felt. Like the entire time I've owned the car, this is the best it has felt. I can imagine when I tuned this.